Hey everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today I'm going to show you how to uninstall Microsoft Edge on Windows 11 step by step in a way anyone can follow. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click on the Start menu at the bottom left and type Registry Editor in the search. Click to open it, because this tool lets you access important Windows settings. Step 2. Once Registry Editor opens, copy the path from the description box and paste it into the address bar. Then press Enter. This takes you directly to the folder that controls Edge's uninstall option. Step 3. On the right side, look for NoRemove and double-click it. This entry decides if Edge can be removed from your system or not. Step 4. You'll see a small window showing the value, usually 1. Change it to 0 and click OK. This step removes the restriction so you can uninstall Edge. Step 5. Close Registry Editor and restart your computer. Restarting is important so Windows applies the change you made. Step 6. After restart, open the Start menu, go to Settings, then Apps. Find Microsoft Edge in the list, click it, and uninstall like any other program. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful guides.